In this video, I'll show you how to replace your ink toner that is the Brother TN229. So let's get started. First of all, on your printer, you need to open the top compartment lid. Okay, usually you're gonna have a latch in the front here that you need to press and pull up the lid. It will lock in place. If you already have ink toner installed in your printer, you simply need to grab it in the middle, okay, and pull up. There's no latch, there's nothing to press. Just by pulling up, you're gonna detach it, take it out, take your new TN229 toner and simply glide it, okay, and at the end give it a push in the middle so it locks in place. It's very important that you place the ink toner in the appropriate slots. Over here we have yellow, magenta, cyan and black. Do not mix them up. At the end, simply close the cover by bringing it down. This can be done with the printer turned off or turned on, it does not matter. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. If you want to get some toner from Amazon, I'll put links down below. You support my channel every time you go through my links because I get a very small commission. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.